Hello everyone, my name is Alkama Hasnain and I'm going to demonstrate you the steps I took in completing this project for backend skill test for Coding Ninja. This application is for a backend polling system API in which RESTful API architecture was used. As we can see the problem statement, we need to create an API where anyone can create questions with options and add votes to it. Now coming to the project file, let's start with the server.js file. This line consists of the MongoDB connection configuration. Once the connection is made, a console log statement is printed on the screen as well as the server starts listening on port 3000. Coming to the app.js file, we are starting the Express server after importing the Express modules, and then we are using the router for URL/questions route. Coming to the router.js file, here the different routes of the question API are handled. This is the schema.js file in which the model for the question schema and the option schema is created. Coming to the question schema, it consists of two key value pairs. The first one is the text, which would be the text in the question, and second, the options consists of an array of option schema. Here I have not used the mongoose.path format, but rather the options are taken as a whole array of option schema. Now coming to the controller, these are the different methods that would handle the different routes. Now let's start with the demonstration of the project. I'll be running the server.js file using nodemon. The server has started on port 3000. We'll be using the Postman application in order for us to test the different routes. The first route we'll be testing is a post request in order for us to create the question. This is the question. The first key value pair consists of the text and the second consists of an array of options. Sending the post request, a new question has been created and the response which has been returned from the server consists of the newly created record. Now let's check the next route, which is for us to create a new option. This is a post method which would add an option to the question corresponding to the ID. The ID will reference from the MongoDB Compass application. Here we can see the newly created record. The record consists of the key value pair of the text as well as an array of options. Copying the ID for the question and pasting it as a URL request parameter. Sending the request, we can see that the new option has been added to the question. Now getting a particular question, in order for us to cast the vote, again we'll paste the ID of the question and send a GET request. In the GET request, we can see that the question has been fetched and each option consists of a key value pair for a link to vote on the particular option. Clicking the URL will be redirected to a new tab, and on sending the request, the vote will be cast. Now coming to the delete option, here we have to enter the question ID as well as the option ID which has to be deleted. Getting both the question ID and the option ID from MongoDB Compass application. Here we can see that the record corresponding to read has been deleted. After the new request response has been fetched from the backend, this completes the demonstration of the polling system API, the different routes that were handled. This project has been posted on GitHub, and the link to the GitHub repository has been provided in the description of the YouTube video. Thank you for watching.